morning to all traders and welcome to this Tuesday's Market Insights video on FX majors. We're going to have a quick look on pound dollar, the euro dollar, as well as the dollar against the yen. But I want to start with the pound because yesterday the EU and the UK started to dig into the internal market bill. There is now hopes that there might be an actual Brexit deal, right? And that has, of course, offset the concerns that we've seen previously about further lockdowns in the UK and stricter measures. Biden seems to have a good footing already for the presidential election debate, the first one actually, which is due today, following reports that the US president has paid very little tax over the past 11 years or so, and only $750 back in 2016 when he was first elected. That might give some sort of direction for the voters that haven't yet decided where they're leaning towards, to a Biden or to a Trump re-election. So without further ado, guys, I just want to go ahead and start with pound. As I said before, we're looking at a triple zigzag here, right? We're looking at a triple zigzag. We've had a wave B, a triangle, and a wave C done, right? To me, this looks completed. So we're moving now down for the last correction in an A, B, C correction for wave Z. That is likely to take us back to the previous low around 114. Now, I'm looking at this as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and I have a feeling this is going to be a nice triangle here for wave 4 before we take out minor wave 1, because I really want to see minor wave 1 actually being rejected first at wave A, right? And then from there, I will be expecting a correction up anywhere between 129.63 and 131.60, which is between the 38.61 Fibonacci retracement of the move to the downside, assuming, of course, we bounce down here. Now, someone could say that we've ended down here and then we are actually moving up. I don't like this though, right? I don't like this move. It looks corrective to me. And unless if this is a WX and Y, okay, so it should be WX and Y then, right? Then I'm really leaning towards a triangular formation or perhaps even a deeper correction up to, well, even the previous wave 4, if that would be the case, around 130, then continue low. What else I was looking is that this ended down here, this bearish sequence, and this is a primary impulse to the upside, right? Wave 3, 4, and we ended in an ending diagonal over here. And that indicates that we are actually going down for wave A, either down here or we're going to be done in a similar manner as before. However, the B and the C over here are going to take us down to the anywhere between the 50 and 61, I would say, of where the primary move to the upside. We'll be looking for this to move lower to take out C, then start moving higher instead of moving lower, as we just analyzed in a triple zigzag scenario, right? And then another potential over here move is that we haven't finished this move to the upside. We're done wave 3. This is wave 4 down here, and we're actually moving up for some sort of open-ending diagonal pattern over here, right? So this is primary 4, and we're going to move all the way up to at least the previous low before start moving lower for a correction, okay? Because this is supposed to be seen as a triangle down here in wave E. So that would indicate that, again, that this is primary wave 1 impulse, a reversal down here. However, with a different ending wave up here, right? Now, I want to jump on euro dollar. On euro dollar, we've actually moved exactly as we expected. We were expecting a flat, right? And that flat has actually came to fruition since we have seen wave 4 actually ending down here, which is also a cluster between the extension of wave C and the 50 Fibonacci retracement of wave 3, right? ABC done, and I'm expecting 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? Now, this could indeed finish anywhere above the previous high, right? But since wave 3 was done at 1.5 Fibonacci extension, I'm expecting another wave to 2.5 Fibonacci extension at 125.58, okay? And again, a cluster with the previous high reached back in 2011, if I'm not mistaken. However, anywhere between 121 and 125, yes or no, this is quite a range, could be where the wave 5 can end. Another scenario is looking something similar. However, we have ended here wave 5, okay, which means we are in wave X and we're going to move lower for wave W in a double zigzag. That would mean that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 over here, right? Because it could still look impulsive, and we would expect prices to come around these medium activity level around 118, and then start moving lower again for wave 3, and then 4 and 5 for A. Yeah, they're going to be A, then B and C again for potentially new lows below the 106 level, right? The other scenario I want to have a quick look is that we're also moving here impulsively, right? However, this is a W, X, and Y pattern, right? That ideally would probably have to decline a little bit further down. That would invalidate the expanded flat, but will not invalidate that we still need another wave to the upside to finish this bullish impulse, right? Now, dollar yen quickly as well. I'm looking at this correction A, B, C, right, as part of a double zigzag that is going to eventually come down to previous lows. However, with this as a triple zigzag, right, and with this looking a little bit corrective, I still think that we'll have another leg to the downside for wave Z, right? One might argue that we're done Z here, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for A, then we're going to get a B and a C. Yes, it's very likely, but this structure to me looks corrective, okay? So this correction, it looks like to me we'll have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to get another move to the upside to the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement at 105.80, and then start moving lower, perhaps to the 78.6 Fibonacci extension, in this case of wave A and B, assuming we ended at 1.581, right? And this might be where wave B could finish, and then we can start moving for prices to move all the way up. The other scenario, I'm looking at this to be a, some sort of triangle here, okay, A, B, C, D, E. Either E ended here and we're moving up, or this is an A, B, C. We're going to get E down here, and then we're going to move up, okay? So this is all for the day. Thank you very much for watching. If you have an alternative scenario or any questions, please do not hesitate to comment on the video, and I will get back to you as soon as I can.